Hi, this is Greed for Money or Leo, and this is going to be the second part of the video on how to place a technopreneur member sa iyong team genealogy. All right. Basically, if you are not aware about genealogy, ayan yung sinasabi ng mga tao na usually, eto, yan. Sabi nila pyramid daw, right? Pero hindi talaga pyramid ang genealogy. Pyramid is something that has to be perfect. Ibig sabihin pantay yung yung pasok ng referral left and right sa isang MLM or multi-level marketing, okay? Or networking, sabi nga nila. So this is the genealogy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you on how to put a member here sa mga genealogy or dito sa, or how to build your structure sa iyong MLM genealogy, specifically with vMobile. Okay, so if you watch on my previous video, pinakita ko on how to register an account, okay, online. Now I'm gonna show how to place this account sa genealogy ko. All right. So here, as we may notice na dito, bali lalagyan ko ng account etong number 9. Okay, so dito ko siya i-place yung register ko. Kasi what I normally do is hindi ko binubungi ang genealogy ng team ko just to make sure na lahat ng papasok na referral sa akin is kikita. Alright? Hindi katulad ng ginagawa ng mga old school MLMer na nilalampasan nila yung mga members. So as you may notice on my genealogy, lahat yan meron. Right? Etong number 5, kung tutusin, pwede kong ilagay ito sa number 15. Right? Para mag-match tong number 8 and 15 and then mag-earn ako. Pero I'm not gonna do that. Okay, di ako ganun. What I do, actually my mission is to complete this this genealogy. I'm gonna follow the system. So in that way, mag-work ang system para sa akin and para sa team ko. Okay, so let's start. So again, from what you watched on my previous video na ni-register ko yung account, ngayon is ipi-place ko na yung account sa aking genealogy. So, after mo i-click yung activate member or submit yung isang member from LoadExtreme, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on Activate Business Center. So click on here, Activate Business Center. All right. So here, you're gonna type the PIK. PIK yun yung password ng account na ni-register natin. So type ko na siya dito. 62. Okay. And sales sponsor ID. Okay. Basically, sales sponsor ID is yung sponsor ID ng nag-refer dito. Usually, dapat ako na yon, right? But in my team, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna get the 500 pesos for that. But instead, ibibigay ko yung 500 pesos dito sa magiging parang sponsor niya, right? Itong si number 4. Kasi number 9, number 8, ito na, referral niya na yan. Itong number 9 is dito papasok yung bagong member na ilalagay ko, right? So, pwede ko na, kung tutuusin, pwede ko nang kunin yung 500 pesos nito kasi each time na magkakaroon ka ng direct referrals from vMobile, you're gonna get 500 pesos. But as my mission to help other people to earn, yung 500 pesos na yon is ibibigay ko dito sa sponsor na to. Kung sino man to, right? Si number 4. So here's what I'm gonna do. According here, kit information sales sponsor ID. Dito mapupunta yung 500. So sponsor ID number 4, what I'm gonna do is i-click ko lang tong number 4. Okay? Okay. So, sponsor ID, number 4, ito siya. Then, ito yung kanyang sponsor ID, yung nasa gilid. Actually, dalawang account ang binili nitong isang referral kong to. Alright. So, since wala siyang sponsor dito sa kabila, or wala siyang referral left sa kanyang right leg, or Team B, okay? Kasi ganito ang itsura niyan, para makita mo. Team A, Team B, right? Dito yung Team A, dito yung Team B. Ikaw, ito. Alright? So, each time na may makaka-refer ka ng direct referral is you're gonna get 500 pesos for that. Let's say sa may left side mo, right side mo, meron ka namang referrals, then another 500. Okay? So, pag nag-match tong dalawang to, nag-match sila, another 500 yan. So, 1,500. Right? So, as long as this thing goes on and then magmamatch tong mga referrals mo left and right, you're gonna get 500 for that. So that is what we call residual income. So again, naklik na natin yung Activate Business Center. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your Technopreneur card or yung Technopreneur card ng iyong referral. Okay? So usually tayo ang nagre-register dyan sa mga referral natin. And then we're gonna scratch the your product pack sales code. Kung na-scratch mo na, then i-ready mo na. Okay? So balik tayo dito sa screen. So sales sponsor ID. So sino bang bibigyan ko ng 500? Ito wala iba kundi si number balik tayo sa referrals kasi number 4. Okay? Number 4. Okay. Kunin ko lang yung sales sponsor ID niya. Ito yung kanyang ID. Okay? So kukunin ko yan. Copy. And then paste. Ngayon, kung gagamitin mo yung iyong sponsor ID as to get the direct referral commission, then ilalagay mo dito ang iyong sponsor ID. Okay? Para sa mga masasign up mong mga referrals. Okay? But me, ang gagawin ko is ilalagay ko yung sponsor ID ng aking referrals para siya makakuha ng 500. Okay? So, punta tayo dito. Sales Placement ID. Sales Placement ID, basically siya pa rin yun. Kasi wala siyang right Team B. Okay, Team B to eh. So wala siyang Team B. Number 4. So yeah, wala siyang Team B. So gagawin ko is bibigyan ko siya ng isa. Para mag-match yung dalawang yon dito. So again, magkakaroon siya ng 500. Right? So that is how to do it. Okay. Sales Placement ID. Okay. Again, Sales Placement ID is kung saan mo siya ipi-place. Kunyari sa number 9. So, ito yung nasa ibabaw niya, right? So, kiklik mo to. And get the ID. So, ito naman yung ID niya dyan. Copy. And then, paste. So, as we may notice dito, Team A and Team B, right? Dito, meron siyang Team A, which is siya mismo, right? Dalawang account ang kinuha niya. So, bibigyan ko siya ng isang account dito sa kanyang Team B para mag-match yan. So, ilalagay natin siya dito. Team A, so Team B, right? Tama ba lahat? So, we have to be very careful for this, okay? Kasi, hindi ka pwedeng magkamali dito. Once na magkamali ka, medyo mabusisi ang proseso eh. Nang panagkamali ka maglagay ng referral dito. So, you have to make sure na everything is okay or everything is perfect. Okay? If you don't know what to do, then you can ask me. You can just go to my webpage, greedformoney.sulit.com, especially kung ka-teammate kita. If not, you can ask your upline for that or a sponsor, or you can also just go to any business center ng V-Mobile para maturuan kanila nito. But this video will also give you guidance on how to put referral. All right? So let's do it. So number 9. Okay, Team B. Tama na ba? Click again. We have to make sure that everything is correct. Okay. Yan, tama. So, Team B. Team B niya, lalagyan natin to dito. So, click on Submit. Remember password. Okay. Oh, incorrect PIK. So we have to put the PIK. So okay. Balik tayo dito. Hindi ko nalagay yung PIK. Sorry. So PIK 6. Okay. So yan, submit. Yan, tama na ba lahat? Yep, tama na. Yep, everything's perfect. Okay. So here, i-blurred ko lang yung ibang info dito just for privacy purposes. Okay? So here, tingnan natin yung breakdown. Sales sponsor ID 5, ito yung number, check natin. Sa gilid. Right? Tama naman, pareho naman. Okay? And mapupunta siya sa Team B. Team B. So, Team B na is ito. Ito yung Team B. So, mapupunta siya sa number 3 dito. Right? So, okay. So, before you hit on submit, just make sure that everything is correct here. Alright? Hindi pwedeng magkamali dito or else medyo mabusisi ang magiging mangyari. Okay? Medyo hassle nga kung tawag nila pag nagkamali ka dito. So, here we go. 7, 6, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna click on submit. Okay. Okay. So, meron makikita tayong prompt message dito na do not forget to register your PPSC product pack sales code. Okay? Alright. So, okay na siya. Be-blurred ko lang yung ibang info just for privacy. Okay. So, refresh natin to. Yan, pumasok na siya dito, right? Left, right. So, pasok na siya. Meron siyang referral. So, gagawin ko is I'm gonna go back to my genealogy, entire team genealogy. Dapat dito siya mapunta sa number 9. So, tingnan natin. Alright, tama. Napunta sa number 9, right? So, here, makikita natin sa genealogy ng team na merong PPSC. Ito yung product pack sales code. Makikita natin na sa may baba niya is not yet activated. Hindi pa siya activated. So, to activate that, balik lang tayo dito sa screen ng registration. Okay? And then, click lang natin tong PPSC or click here para ma-enter na natin yung PPSC. So, in this page, we're gonna click on, or we're gonna enter the ID number 5. Okay. Okay. Then type yung PIK. Then again PIK. Then yung PPSC. Yung PPSC yung mahabang numbers na makikita mo sa likod ng card mo. So tatype ko na siya. Medyo i-blurred ko lang yung mga ibang itong details na to kasi this one is very important. Okay? I don't want hackers to see this. Okay. So, once na ma-type natin and check if everything is okay. Okay, double check ko lang. Okay, so I'm gonna click on submit. Alright, so successfully credited your PPSC. Balik tayo sa Team Genealogy. Refresh by clicking F5. And here we go. Makikita mo na dito sa may PPSC na naka-yes na siya. Ibig sabihin, activated na siya. Okay? So that would be it. I'm gonna give you some updates on my Team Genealogy and you will see that everything here is perfect. Lalagyan ko ng referrals yan lahat. So lahat ng mga ka-members ng Team Greed for Money is gonna earn money with V-Mobile because we're building team here. teamwork will, make the dream work. All right. So again, I thank you for watching this video, and I appreciate your time. And if you have more questions about this, and if ever that you wanna be in my Team Greed for Money, V Mobile Philippines, then just go to greedformoney.sulit.com.ph. All right, I appreciate your time watching my video, and you have a good night. Bye bye now.